Do you want to tag people on Instagram post after posting? You can mention someone on Insta photo after posting with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to tag people on Instagram post after posting. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Tagging people on Instagram posts after publishing allows you to mention someone in your existing post. When you tag someone in your post, it appears on their profile under the Tagged section. To tag someone on an Instagram post after it's been posted. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your Instagram profile by tapping your profile picture from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, find the post that you want to tag people and open that post by tapping the image. On the top right corner of the post, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on it to open a menu. From the menu, select Edit to make changes to your post. Once you're in editing mode, tap on the person icon or tag people text. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of the post editing screen. Now, tap on the area of the photo where you want to mention. Type the username or name of the person you want to tag. Instagram will suggest usernames as you type. Once you see the correct person in the suggestions, tap on it to mention that person. You can again tap on the photo to tag again to another person. After tagging all the desired people, tap on the tick icon to save your changes. Again tap on the tick icon from the top right corner of the screen to save. Your post will now be updated with the tagged people, even though it was already posted. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.